Most people avoid beans at night because they think it'll ruin their sleep and cause bloating. I used to think the same thing. But what if I told you that certain beans can actually help you sleep deeper and make your kidneys stronger at the same time? I'm not talking about the beans that give you gas and discomfort. I'm talking about 5 specific types that work like magic. While you sleep, flushing out toxins, repairing your kidneys, and helping you wake up feeling incredible. Tonight, I'm sharing the top 5 beans you should eat at night if you want better sleep and healthier kidneys. Not the ones everyone talks about, the ones that quietly support your body while you rest. And one of these beans surprised even me, because most people eat it at the wrong time and miss its real benefits. Welcome to Care Connect Studio. Simple science base and trusted health education for everyone. Subscribe now and stay smart, healthy, and informed. Bean number 1, chickpeas. The healthier digestive helper. Let me tell you about chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans. These little powerhouses are loaded with fiber, light protein, and complex carbs that digest slowly throughout the night. What does that mean for you? No blood sugar spikes, no midnight hunger. Just steady, peaceful sleep. But here's the kidney benefit. Chickpeas are low in oxalates, which means they won't contribute to kidney stone formation like other foods do. I started eating half a cup of boiled chickpeas at 7 p.m., and within 1 week, I stopped waking up hungry at 2 a.m. My sleep tracker showed I was getting 40 more minutes of deep sleep every night. Want to make them taste amazing? Toss them with a little olive oil, cumin, and a pinch of sea salt. Eat them warm. Your stomach will thank you. Bean number 2, lentils. The blood sugar stabilizer. Lentils are my personal favorite on this list. Instead of causing a quick blood sugar spike followed by a crash, lentils release energy slowly throughout the night. This keeps your blood sugar stable, which means deeper sleep and less stress on your kidneys. Red lentils, green lentils, brown lentils, they all work. But here's my secret. Cook them with a tiny bit of turmeric and ginger. These spices reduce inflammation in your kidneys while you sleep. I cook a big pot on Sunday and eat 1 small bowl every night at 8 p.m. My energy the next morning, completely different. No brain fog, no sluggishness, just clean, natural energy. Bean number 3, black beans. The antioxidant powerhouse. Black beans are loaded with antioxidants that protect your cells from damage, especially your kidney cells. They also have magnesium, which relaxes your muscles and helps you fall asleep faster. Think of them as nature's sleeping pill, but without any side effects. The fiber in black beans feeds the good bacteria in your gut, and a healthy gut means better sleep. Scientists are now discovering that 90% of serotonin, your happy chemical, is made in your gut, not your brain. Try this. Make a simple black bean soup with garlic and cumin. 1 bowl at dinner time. You'll sleep like a baby and wake up with clear skin because your body spent the night detoxing instead of struggling to digest junk. Bean number 4, pinto beans. The kidney protector. Pinto beans are high in folate and B vitamins, nutrients that most people don't get enough of. These vitamins help your kidneys filter waste more efficiently. If you have high creatinine levels or your kidney function isn't optimal, pinto beans can help bring those numbers down naturally. They're also incredibly filling without being heavy. Half a cup keeps you satisfied all night without that uncomfortable to full feeling. I add pinto beans to my dinner 3 times a week. My last kidney function test. The doctor said my kidneys are functioning like someone 10 years younger. Bean number 5. Green peas. The gentle cleanser. Green peas might seem too simple, but don't underestimate them. They're one of the easiest beans to digest, which means less bloating and more comfortable sleep. They're also packed with vitamin K and vitamin C, both essential for kidney health. When you eat green peas at night, they provide a slow release of energy that keeps your metabolism active while you sleep. You burn more calories doing absolutely nothing. I eat them as a side dish with dinner, just steamed with a little butter and sea salt. Simple, delicious, effective. My sleep app data showed that after 2 weeks of eating green peas regularly, my resting heart rate dropped by 5 beats per minute. That means my body is more relaxed and my cardiovascular system is healthier. Now listen, I'm not saying this will cure kidney disease. I'm not a doctor. But I am saying that your kidneys are begging for help right now, and you're not listening. Every can of soda, every salty meal, every sleepless night, it's all adding up. But here's the beautiful part. It's not too late. Tonight, when you close this app and go to your kitchen, I want you to do one thing. Pick one bean from this list, cook it, eat it with dinner, and do it again tomorrow night, and the night after that. 7 days. That's all I'm asking. 7 nights of giving your kidneys what they actually need instead of what's slowly destroying them. And here's my promise to you. If you do this for 7 days and come back to this video and leave a comment telling me which bean you chose and how you feel, I will personally reply to you. Every single comment. Because I know what it's like to watch someone you love suffer. And I don't want that for you or your family. Your kidneys have been working 24 hours a day since the moment you were born. They've filtered thousands of gallons of blood. They've never taken a break. They've never complained. Don't wait until you're in a hospital bed to start caring about them. Start tonight. Pick your bean, cook it, eat it. And if this video just saved your kidneys or helped someone you love, hit that share button right now and send it to 3 people. Because kidney disease is silent, and most people don't know they have it until it's too late. I'll see you in the comments. Tell me which bean you're starting with tonight. And 7 days from now, tell me how you feel. Your kidneys are waiting. Don't make them wait any longer.